Hey guys, welcome to a brand new video. Today we're gonna look at top 5 earbuds to buy in 2020 under 200 pounds. The first one we're looking at Sony 1000X Mark III. It is around 160 pounds. You have two colors. You have black and silver. 6 hours of battery in the earbuds, and you have 18 hours of battery on the case. With the noise cancellation off, you have 8 hours of playtime on the earbuds, and you have 32 hours of playtime on the case. It does offer you quick charging, 10 minutes of charge, you have 90 minutes of use. The app is available for Apple and Android, so you can customize the audio as well as the noise cancellation. It does offer you voice assistant, Alexa, Google Assistant, Siri and Bixby. Unfortunately, it doesn't provide any wireless charging. The next one we are looking at Jabra 75T. Jabra is known for sports earphone as well as headphones. It is around 150 pounds. It come in black. You have up to 28 hours of playtime, 7.5 hours on the earbuds, and you have 2 charge from the case. Quick charging, 15 minutes of charge. You have 1 hour of playtime. Voice assistant, you have Google, Alexa, Bixby and Siri. The app is available for Apple and Android. You can customize the audio. You can control the mics as well as the ambient sound through the app. It does come with the 4 microphones to provide your best experience on a phone call. It doesn't provide you wireless charging, unfortunately. Samsung Buds Plus. It is around 159 pounds. Coming in 3 colors. You have black, blue and white. 22 hours of playtime, 11 hours on the case, 11 hours on the earbuds. It does offer you quick charging, 3 minutes of charge. You have 1 hour of playtime. Voice assistant, you have Google, Alexa, Bixby and Siri. The app is available for Apple and Android. 3 microphones for phone call. It's offer you much better microphone than the older model. They're much more clearer. It's bigger drivers, so the audio is much more clearer, but there is still a space to be improved. It does offer you a wireless charging, so if you have a wireless charger, you can use them. The next one we are looking at a mid-range headphones. It is going to be a JBL 220. It is around 90 pounds. It supports Bluetooth 5.0. You have 3 colors. You have black, blue and pink. 19 hours of playtime, 3 hours on the earbuds. You have 16 hours on the case. It doesn't provide any quick charging, so you need to charge them slightly longer than normal. Voice assistant, so again you have Google, Alexa, Bixby and Siri. The app is available for Apple and Android. You can customize the audio. You can add bass or reduce bass. It does come with the 2 microphones for phone call. The audio is much more clearer, regardless if you are in a traffic or if you are in a crowded area. The microphone is very clear, so you can answer phone call without worrying how noisy the mic can be. It doesn't provide wireless charging, and it is still stuck with the micro USB cable. So if you are looking for a really mid-range headphone, JBL is an ideal earbud to go for. The next one we are looking at TicBot 2. It is around 90 pounds. Bluetooth 5.0. It's come in 3 colors. You have blue, pink and a white. 23 hours of playtime. 2 charge on the case. Quick charging. 5 minutes of charge. You have 1 hour of playtime. The app is available for Apple and Android. If you want to customize the audio, you can. It doesn't provide any noise cancellation. It does provide passive noise isolation. It's gonna be the single mic, so when you come to phone call, you need to speak a bit more louder than normal to be heard. And if you are in a very trafficked or very busy area, you need to speak much more louder for the other side to hear you. And it doesn't provide any wireless charging. So these are the headphones I have used. I ranked them from the noise cancellation to quality. So if you guys enjoy this video, please like the video, leave the comments below. Thank you guys for watching. See you on the next video. Bye bye.